Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting a little dirty today. We're going to be getting down and dirty. We're going to be putting our hands and knees in the dirt. Today I'm going to be putting some fertilizer down. We're going to be checking the results of... Wait, does it look hazy to y'all? Why does it look like that? Is it because it's hot and humid out here? Or is there... Wait, why is this film? Wait. I just went from hot to cold. That's better. Alright, so yeah, like I said, we're going to be getting down and dirty today. We're going to be putting our hands and knees in the dirt. We're going to be re-fertilized. We're going to put some fresh fertilizer down for my plants, for my garden. Well, I guess I could say, stop saying my plants because all I have is watermelon now. It is the 5th of July, so my corn was not knee high by the 4th of July, so it's just dead. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and dead it and pull the roots up today also. I'm going to show y'all the growth of my watermelon the first time when I put fertilizer down. Why does this keep fogging up? Alright, so that means I have to make this video quick, sweet and short. Alright, so just by walking through the grass, I guess we have some dew out here. It's very dewy, because I don't think I ran the water sprinklers this morning yet. Man, this is going to keep bugging me and bugging me and bugging me. So if this video doesn't come out right, it's the weather's fault. But yeah, look at my watermelon. It's been about what? Been about 2 weeks now since I put the first fertilizer down, and look at that. This is actually the one that I thought was coming out of the ground. The roots was coming out of the ground. Look at that. Look at that growth. Look at the leaves. They're really starting to spread out. This is amazing. I love this. Just to see it grow from the little seedling to the point where it just popped out the ground where it sprouted. It came to a point where I thought they were dead. I thought they had stopped growing. I put a little fertilizer down and then the growth just exploded. So now I'm out here today. I'm about to put some more fertilizer down and see what else happens. You can see a little hair, little furs on the ends of the watermelon. Oh, is this little bulb? I wonder if that's going to turn into the melon. That little bulb in the center right here. I wonder if that's what's going to turn into my watermelon. Look at the hairs on it. I wonder if those hairs, I wonder if it uses those hairs to, I wonder if those hairs fall off and kind of germinate the next plant next to it. And that's how I get a watermelon. But, yep, well first I'm going to clear out some of this grass and clear out those rocks also. And let's get to it. Alright, let me put my gloves on. Let me just get this grass out. I really don't have to be too careful over here because my corn is dead. So all I gotta do is just take the corn out. Alright, so this is the roots of my corn. This is one of the corn I just pulled up. Hold on, you can see that. Let me brush some of this dirt off. Yeah, I guess we'll take a little closer look at the corn later. But let's get this watermelon out the way because it's hot out here and I want to go in. Grass out, rocks. I guess I'll leave this corn right here still in here just because it may decide to do something. Definitely not knee high. Let me get these rocks out away from my watermelon. Man, look at that vine. Look at that. I'm trying to move it without hurting it. Ooh, alright, so it actually tangled up with this piece of grass, this vine here. This is coming all the way from this other one. So I lift it up and you can see it's holding on to this little piece of grass. Are they having sex? He won't let them go. He's wrapped around them. Should I just kill the grass and here? Because he wants to take him along with him. Look at that. Look at that watermelon, yo. Oop. Uh-oh. Look at that. Alright, so let me get this rock out of here. Let me loosen the soil up in here. Oh yeah, it's nice and soft and tender up in here. So I'm guessing the fertilizer, it seems like the fertilizer kind of helped keep the soil moist and all that. Because I remember before I put the fertilizer out here, I would water it every day, but it would seem like the soil would just dry up. So let me go ahead and put this fertilizer down. As you see, I'm just spreading the fertilizer at the base of the plant. Just trying to get it on in here, just getting it around it. Trying to get in there. Get on the outside of it, get around it. Cause now I see this is what my watermelon wants, this is what my watermelon needs, so this is what my watermelon's gonna get. One more scoop should do it. Alright, there we go. Alright, so my watermelon is fertilized. I'm not really too worried about my corn because, like I said, corn's dead. It's not growing. I took that one out the ground. Where did I put it? Where did I put that corn? I know I tossed it to the side, but I was gonna come back to it. Alright, well, let me go water my watermelon and I'll be right back. And yes, I do get my water from the side of the house. Alright, so my watermelon is all fertilized and watered. Let's look at the growth right here. Look at the growth we have at this present moment in time. Next time we check in, we'll probably have watermelon.